Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. If you're looking for a last minute snack to take to a holiday party, here it is. And it's a little on the trashy side. And I say trashy because we used to eat this when we lived in trailer parks, and people outside the trailer parks used to call us trailer trash. So I guess this is a trashy snack. Well, let's rephrase that. It's a delicious, trashy snack. I guess by now you're wondering what I'm talking about. I'm talking about bologna salad. That's right, everyone's heard of it, right? It's definitely not fancy, it's not healthy, it's not expensive, but one thing it is, it's delicious. And it only takes a few ingredients and a couple minutes to make. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 pound of diced bologna, a half of a medium diced yellow onion, 2 stalks of diced celery, and 1 heaping tablespoon of diced sweet pickles. And I didn't want to tell you this, but if you substitute the bologna with any other kind of meat, especially like chicken or tuna salad, you might end up with chicken or tuna salad. That's right, bologna salad is just simply chicken or tuna salad with the bologna instead of the chicken or the tuna. You could also use any kind of leftover meat you have: fish, chicken, pork, or beef. Or you can use hot dogs or Vienna Weinies, also known as Vienna sausage to the non-Southerners, or you can throw some eggs in there and make some fancy dancy egg salad. Or in the summertime, you can cut up some fresh garden tomatoes and make some tomato salad with it. Next, add as much or as little mayonnaise as you like, as long as it's the only mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise. Something that's also nice if you add in this is a little bit of yellow mustard, but you can really add anything you like in this. My father used to make it with bologna, and he would add sliced up green olives as well, which he also added to his egg salad, which I wasn't a fan of back then, but nowadays I love it. He'd also make bologna salad with PMP loaf, which I guess that would make it a PMP salad. Now once you've added as much or as little mayonnaise as you like, give it all a good mix and season however you like. I just added salt and pepper. You can eat it right away, or you can let it sit in the fridge and chill for a couple hours, or overnight, or even for a couple days. It's bologna. Bologna lasts forever. Now you can eat it how you like it. You can make a bologna salad sandwich, or you can put your bologna salad into a most probable salsa container from my local restaurant that they may or may not know I borrowed, and serve it along with some barbecue potato chips, because that's what us trailer trash people do, and then sit back and enjoy it with your family and friends, along with a cold frosty beverage, and be grateful for everything you have and the ones around you that you love and love you. And enjoy tonight, Christmas Eve, and have a very Merry Christmas to you, the people, from me, the person, at the Wolf Pit. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.